How's it going? My name's Kevin and you're watching Flat State Films. And today, in this installment of Flat State Films, this new video here. Alright, what's up? My name's Kevin. This is Flat State Films. And today what we are going to talk about is this Dyna project that I got going on. These two pieces sitting on this table here, this little seat section, fender strut, shock tower deal, and this engine cradle here are the only two remaining stock pieces left from a 1997 Dyna Lowrider, Evo 5-speed bike. And the plan is to go up and away with it. Meaning we're gonna, I'm a fan of that Midwest, St. Louis, wherever it came from. They say that Midwest style, St. Louis style, the stretched out D-rake bikes has kind of been something that I've always been a fan of. And we're gonna kind of build something to, tilt our hats to that, a little nod to that style. So I figure, I see like one of my real good friends, Sal from New York, he's got that upstretched FXR that a lot of people really go crazy over, and I don't blame them. It's just a good look, and that's kind of what we're going to do, mimic something like that. I didn't cut up an FXR though, I cut up a Dyna. I get it, I get the difference in FXRs and Dynas for sure, 100%. This isn't, we're not going to talk about that on this because it really doesn't matter. This is a chopper, furthest thing from performance for sure. Doesn't mean you can't ride the shit out of them, but I'm just saying that this is, if we were going to build a bike, so we're talking about taking turns on and doing this and that, this isn't it. So we're going to get into more of like welding, fabrication, building something like this. We're going to keep it low budget. I got a lot of stuff stored away, so we're going to try to keep it low budget. And that's really it. Like I said, we got these two pieces here that we're going to use. This is the stock engine cradle, and this is like the rear seat section. I got some 120 wall DOM seamless tubing sitting over here that we've already done a little bit of bending and coping to stuff. I had it partially mocked up, just to get an idea for it. I've built a couple rigid frames before, and I've done some stuff, but never anything like this. So I guess there's no real good reference points and anything to go off of, so I'm just kind of winging it. And a lot of the Dyna stuff is real gaudy with the square backbone and all that shit, and I'm not trying to do anything like that. I get it, it's all structural, it's super solid, it makes it ride great, yada yada yada. But we're going for more of an aesthetic here. So yeah, like I said, this is my little one-car garage, and this is where most of the action is going to take place, and we're going to take you along, I guess, with this while we do some videos. We're going to try and do it quick, not drawn out, make this like a 20 video series, try to do something in like, 5 parts, I think. So this is not volume 1, this ain't going to be the first part of it, this is just the introduction to it. And but we'll probably throw some B-roll in here of me mocking this back up and getting it back to where you guys have something to look at. So, cool.